Hi, welcome back to the piano tutorial of BCLC Beginner's Lesson. My name is Coach Benji and I'm going to be teaching you the 3 black keys now. So here, you get my virtual piano. So the 3 black keys, okay, has how many white keys below it? So let's take a look. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 white keys below the 3 black keys. So let's name those. So starting from here, it's like C, D, E, right? So as I've said, it's just a sequence. So after E, it's F, G, A, and B. Because why A? Because as I've said earlier, after G, you go back to A. So it's F, G, A, D. Okay? So that's the 4 white keys below the 3 blacks. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you another song. It's a combination of the 3 and the 4 black keys, white keys. Sorry, so 3 and the 4 white keys. So you can copy the letters. Okay, you can screenshot it, and then you can play it by yourself. Okay, and yeah, you can play it in your right hand. Okay. No finger rules first. You can choose any of the fingers. You can choose only one finger if you like. Okay? So, as I've said, the piano is just a pattern, right? So, after this, guess what? Okay? After this set of white key letters, you're gonna repeat this one on the next. But it's the higher pitch, okay? It's a higher register. So I'm gonna be teaching you that in the next few videos. So this one is first, and then you're gonna have next another one, same set of letters but different pitch. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my piano. How does it look like to combine a series of these groups? Okay, so here, so as you can see, it's C. This is the starting of the. Okay, here we're gonna start here lang. This C, D, E, and after that F, G, A, B. Guess what? After you go back to it's another set, right? C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then after that again, it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then another one, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then C is the last one. So, don't ask me how many keys are there in my keyboard. Doesn't matter, okay? So, that's it for this video, and I hope you learned. I'm going to be teaching you another song for the next videos. So stay tuned, and thank you so much.